Hello guys, welcome to my next lecture. In previous lecture we have seen how to create the solution. Okay, and in this lecture we are going to see how to create a model driven application. Okay, so as you already know, we are going to create one case study application, which is leave management application for our uh, tutorials. Okay, so we are going to create one model driven application for our leave management app. Okay, so before going into the application creation process, we are going to just discuss on the model driven app benefits. Okay, so what are the benefits of model driven apps? So one major benefit of model driven apps is that it provides the uniform interface across all the applications, whether it will be the inbuilt by default out of the box applications provided by Microsoft, or it will be the custom applications which we are going to create. So every applications look and feel is going to be uniform. Okay, so that is the one of the advantage of model driven application. Again, the responsiveness is the second one. Like every model driven application is by default responsive in nature. Okay, so when you are going to open your leave management application inside the 32-inch screen, monitor screen, it is going to adjust itself for that particular screen. So that means the responsiveness, it is going to render in your mobiles browsers, it is going to render in the tablet browsers very well. So you don't have to care about the responsiveness of that application. So that is the second advantage of model run applications. Again, we have one more advantage, like we can embed complex HTML JavaScript logics in the model run application itself. Okay, so that is also one of the advantage of using model driven applications. Okay, hope you understood the advantages of why we need to use model driven applications. So for our case study, just we are going to create leave management application. So we have already created the solution, so just let's start creating the application for the leave management. Okay, so just go to your solution. I will from start I will show you. So here inside solutions you can see leave management application solution. Just click on that solution name, then you have here application. Just click on the apps and click on the new app, and you have the option for canvas app, you have option for model driven app, and you have option for page. So for now we are going to explore model driven app, and we are going to create leave management application. So just click on the model driven app. Okay, it is asking for the name. Just provide the name as leave management app. So if you have the description you can provide, otherwise just keep it as a blank. Okay, just click on the create. So it will take some time to create. Okay, this is how our model driven application app designer will look like. Okay, so here on top bar you can see leave management app, your application name, and you have some options to add page, you have settings where you can do different settings, and we have switch to classic, like if you want to uh, see this particular customizer in the classic mode, then you can click on this and you can switch back to classic mode. Okay, so yeah, so this is the application we have just created, and in further sessions we are going to customize this application as per our tutorials. Okay, so for now I think the application is not reflected here. Okay, yeah, just now it got reflected in. So before creating this application, everything was zero here, right? And now in the applications, here one component is present, inside map one component is present. So application is already, we have created um, dynamics app. Okay, and inside map, so this particular dynamics application is it contains the one sitemap already. So that sitemap is got reflected here. Okay, so you don't have to worry how it got added. So it got added by default with this application. Okay, so hope you understood everything, how to create our first um, model driven application. If you have any questions, you can comment down below this video. I will try to uh, resolve that issue, and do follow for next updates. Thank you.